Oh, wow, that guy's really good. Welcome to the Clarence Show. What do you want to talk about, Mr. Bacon Chips?
Talking makes me nervous. Blah.
Ha 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 ha. Nobody actually laughed. Whoa, what's he doing with that horn?
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah.
Oh, he's honking it. That horn is a killer. I wish I had one, then I could just honk instead of talk. I just had the biggest side. One horn, please.
Oh, is this for your bike?
Nope, it's for my conversation skills.
Oh, that's just wonderful. I pledge allegiance to the flag. United States of America, and to the republic for which it one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice. Okay.
Good morning, students. This is your principal. Just a reminder that the winners of this year's Let's Diss Disease raffle will be announced tomorrow.
Good luck on winning the grand prize, 2 tickets to Squirty's Moist Mountain Water Park.
And now, today's poem, A Fall Day by Mrs. Shoop. The night is crisp. The day is done. Listen to the swaying leaves as they go swish, 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 swish.
Oh, Clarence, what a witty deconstruction.
I heard the math quiz got canceled. Yeah! Good thing, too. I didn't study much.
I'll see you guys later. Whoa!
Somebody farted.
Hot Dog Police 2? It's the same as the first one. Should have called it Hot Dog Police 1 again. Not funny.
Melanie, we've been working together for a couple months now, and I think it's time that you... Where'd it go? Where'd it go? That's around here somewhere. Oh.
Clarence, the horn is a gimmick. At first, you were just peppering it in, but now you're doing it all the time. People may like it now, but they'll get tired of it very quickly. Can you just stop honking?
Oh, this'll never get old.
Gonna be another honk-diculous day.
Chocolate milk and pickle spears. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. The Let's Diss Disease raffle winners. The grand prize winner of the tickets to Squirty's
Moist Mountain Water Park is...
number 73491501875. Come get your prize now, or we're giving it to someone else.
Clarence, we've been waiting all week for those results.
Just a little honk humor. Come on, guys.
What were we talking about?